Welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode, I'm going to guide you on how much money I have earned from Amazon KDP so far in this 2024. So this is a typical lowest month that I have. The month of August, that is this month, I wasn't able to cover much because I couldn't get more order from my books. So last week I go with pre-promotion. That is why you have seen 10 orders, but actually I got one hardcover ordered last week, which was $5.88. That was my royalty. So let's head over to the my royalty estimator so that you will have a good understanding of my worth on the money I have earned from Amazon KDP so far from 2024. So let's head over to what filter. So let's check for what lifetime. Let's apply. This is what so far I have earned $104.42. I have uploaded 6 books from me 8 to what August 18. You see it is based on what 2024. So based on this, you can see that royalty estimated governance. So let's head over let's check for another version. Let's say last month. Let's see for last 90 days. Okay, let's check for DCA so that you'll compound it properly. DCA. So let's see. You see, based on DCA, because I opened this account, I'm new to Amazon KDP. So I opened this account this year and I was able to cover or to get a royalty of what $154.42. That is from January 1 to what August 18. And today is what August 18, right? So let's check for last 90 days and see. Most of my sales was from last 90 days. So my advice to you when you're about to publish any book, make sure that you publish quality books. Don't just publish anything anyhow. Make sure that your books are what quality books, So this is what my last 90 days I was able to earn a royalty of what $87.35, right? Based on what 6 books from May 21 to what August 18, 2024. So let's check for what last month and see. Last month I know I was able to cover like 40 point something dollars. Last month I was able to cover $39.97 based on what his book. So this is it, right? So let's check for this month. So for this month I was able to cover $6.8 from August 1 to August 18. So this is one of my worst months so far based on Amazon. I couldn't, what usually, I don't know what is actually happening. Is it because I couldn't run ads? Have I focused more on organic sales? So thank you for watching. If you found value from this video, make sure to share with your friends. And also, if you have any question up to anything related to KDP, the comment section is free for everyone, so you can ask me. So Amazon is for everyone. As long as you can dedicate your time and produce quality books, sky will be your limit. Thank you for watching again and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.